Hey y'all, it's your girl Strawberry. Yes, that's straw as in berry, and I am back with another video. So in this video, I will be showing y'all how I put my hair up in this little bun. I cut all my hair off. I was rocking a fade for a while, you know what I'm saying, dyeing it colors and stuff like that. It's been about 3 or 4 months since I'm really letting it like grow out, and it can finally fit in a ponytail. But before we go any further, make sure you subscribe. Subscribe to my channel because it's the right thing to do. What would Jesus do? Jesus would subscribe to my channel.
I can be your sunshine. I can be your sunshine. I can be your angel. I can be your angel. I can make you smile for a lifetime. Smile for a lifetime, baby. Yeah.
So boom, ponytail in the middle. Pull it tight. I don't know how I'm gonna do this shit right here, yo. I don't know if I should start in the back first or the front. Now see, when people get ponytails, I know that I be seeing people like flat iron their hair. I ain't doing that. Putting this on the back of my hair. And I'm gonna use my muscles. And I'm gonna brush that shit. Ooh. Who does this for a living? People enjoy this. I'm about ready to quit and go to the salon. They got this $50 ponytail to your bone, sis. I got $50. I ain't gonna make it. I'm gonna run out of edge control. See, now the problem is my arms already hurt. Oh, big head. Come on. Almost there, sis. Almost there. Push through. Push through. Push through. Push through. About 2 seconds away from perming this, honey. I look like that one dude off of The Incredibles. Whoa. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Oh, I don't got no perm. Me, who ain't got no hair. Me. My hair do not play. My hair don't want to do nothing it don't want to do. I will cut it back off. Like I ain't never had no hair. Ouch! The little weak ass brush gotta keep getting stuck in my hair. So I gotta get the wig brush. Yeah. Some of that. Can y'all hear all these dogs? I don't know if one of them a dog. If he a dog, he gotta add some up. Am I the only one who think when a lot of dogs start barking, that mean like it's the end of the world or some shit? Like it's a zombie apocalypse? my scarf on. I'm gonna just go blow dry this until I can't feel my arms no more. Somebody was to ask me how I just put this scarf on. I don't even know, sis. I don't even know. I don't know who could sit here and just blow dry their hair all day like that, because it ain't me, bitch. I'm not about to do that. So while this dries, because I'm not about to be standing here and blow drying my hair like that, I am going to do some simple brows with my look and eyeliner and mascara. Nothing too extravagant. Walked in a bad bitch, left a better bitch. Ooh, a better. I'm one of the people who do their eyebrows all the time, and every single time they look different. Every time. That's a thick ass eyebrow on this side. I'm gonna keep going like I don't see it. And I ain't starting over. That'll just have to do. I don't know what this just did. I got a booty hole on my forehead. Now let me tell y'all something. This is some really great edge control. However, my hair don't give a fuck about none of that. This is still kind of there, but this one, honey, it said where? Tame who? But it came out cute for my first time doing my little, you know. Take all of this in. 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 Thank you for watching this video, y'all. If you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, leave a comment down there in the comment section for me so I can see it. And then I respond to you. You know how I do. I just want to rhyme on the dime. Woo, it don't take no time. No, but for real. Thank y'all for watching. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, berries.